Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from JetBeam. Now this here is their KO-03. Now I was sent this by Banggood.com. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. So now let's go ahead and concentrate on the specs here. And as you can see, 2400 lumens on the highest output that this light can do. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's get this open, see what's in. Warranty card, 2 O-rings, quality check certificate, 1 user manual, multi-languages, one USB charging cable, plus this can be turned around and used as a power bank. It's a neat feature. 1 lanyard. Now let's go ahead and get the light out. There it is. Knurling on here does have a little bit of roughness to it. Nice size. You can table stand that if you need to. Plus, like the little symbol here, it is magnetic. Bring out my knife. This does have a battery. This is a complete kit. See how strong that is. Not going anywhere. Strong magnet on that. Here's the charging port. Tight seal on that, feels good. As you see here, the button is pretty much flush. Now the style and design on this is nice. Not seeing anything unusual. Does have flat areas on the head here, help prevent it from rolling. Now the machining and finish on this is very nice. Show you up close. lanyard hole there. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the textured reflector. Now this is running the luminous SST70 LED. Alright, so now let's take this apart and I'll show you the insides, including the battery, tail spring, and that is a dual tail spring, pretty heavy duty. Show you the battery here. You want to remove this thin little protection piece. And here's the battery that it comes with, which is a 21700 cell, 5100 milliamp. This is a protected cell. This is a 20 amp cell, so it should be plenty powerful enough to run this light. I'm not sure if the head comes off, and it does, so go ahead and take that off now. Greased well on both ends. Straight contact point there on the head. Now the power bank feature, I use it. Now the power bank I would use in an emergency, but this 5000 milliamp should be plenty to charge your battery one time on most cell phones. But you definitely want to keep it down to the minimum. If your phone does go dead, you can make that phone call, still be able to continue to use your light. Now let's go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. Simply click that, turns it on. Pressing and holding turns it off. Now you simply just click on the side switch to go down through the UI. This is a battery level indicator there that will turn red when it's getting low and start to blink when it's critically low. Now you can run unprotected cells in this, whether it be flat top or button top, it's your choice. Again, going back through those UIs. Now in order to get to the special mode, you're going to double click to get strobe, and that is a variable speed on the flash. Now you can simply click that one time and we're back to the regular UI. Now from off, you can double click to get strobe. Press and hold that to turn it off. So this light always starts off on the highest output and goes down through the UI. And that's all there is to this light. A lot of light output, definitely more than enough powerful for most everyday carry and for your next adventure. So that's impressive. Let's go ahead and take a look at the beam before I forget here. Does have a centralized hotspot there. A little bit of bleeding around the edges. Spill's not a super cutoff, but it does kind of taper off right about there. So solid build quality on this. Feels rugged. Got some weight to it. Nice to have that magnetic tail end where you can make it a hands-free light. Place it on a metal surface. I've always been very impressed with JetBeam flashlights. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the JetBeam KO-03. Let's go ahead and get started. It comes on the highest output, so we're going to go ahead and do the famous tree of life. "138 feet from where I'm standing to that tree. Good combination beam. See those palm trees there? So it's got some good range. Before and after here. A lot of light. 238 feet to that tree there. Behind this. Way out there, seeing those trees across the park. Easily making that playground there. And the second one. Tree line, fence line. Do a beam profile here. Still got good battery power, so that's good. We're going to go down to the next level. And there's the next level. Nice even spacing on the UI. Water spout. Whoa. Whoa. Some kind of bird or something. Or a bat flying by me. 35 feet. I don't know what that was. 65 feet. Still making there. Still making the tree of life. Scared me there. I don't know what that was. We're going to go down the next level. Still got some good light output. Help increase your battery run times. Next level down. Still got some pretty good light output. The lowest light output there. Good for up close. And we're back to the highest output there. Do one more pan with this. Not too sure what was flying around me earlier. Not too sure what that was. Trying to attack me or flying around me there. First time for everything around here. Out here in the wilderness. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Nice combination beam on this. It's got some good, decent throw on here. The build quality on this is top notch. Not seeing any issues here. Really a lot of light comes out of this. More than enough for any application. And with that 21700 cell, you're going to get some really good run times. Now, turbo is not meant to run continuously, so it will cycle down due to heat, which is perfectly normal. This will run easily 1000 lumens with no problems whatsoever, which is still a huge amount of light. Probably overkill for most things. But in any case, you've got 2400 at that moment that you need that much light. If you forget, it'll cycle down due to heat, so no issues there. The built-in power bank feature is nice, so if you're on the go, cell phone goes dead, you can easily plug it in, power up that phone, make a phone call, or any device for that matter. The magnetic tail is great. You can stick it to metal, hands-free, working on something on your vehicle, could be anything. Comes in very handy. Now the Type-C on this flashlight will quickly charge your battery. I believe it's at 2 amp, so that's more than enough to get this battery charged right back up and ready to go. Or you can easily swap in another battery as well. Alright, well, I want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this flashlight kit to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description to my 2 online stores. You can see a picture of that there. That's what you'll see when you access my page. Also, the discount code will be right below in that picture. Just click on that, it will automatically copy and paste it. Once you do that, once you go to checkout, you'll see a coupon area or a discount little bar there. You'll click on that, paste it there, and you'll see the price difference added automatically when you update in your cart. So that's really nice. Hopefully it can help you save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from JetBeam to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.